Hello everyone. How you doing? And how's your day? Okay, I just want to continue what I started the other time, the lowest common multiple. I remember I said to us that lowest common multiple can be found by using the multiple method and also using the factor method. So on the last video that was made on this topic, we used the multiple method. So my interest today is to show to you how to use the factor method. This shows that you will need that, you know, to get this. So this is just a follow up to that video. This is just a follow up. So if you haven't seen that video, I think you should have a very quick pause right now and run to social handle on YouTube, Matt's Genius, or on TikTok. Seek that video, digest it very well, and come back and join us today. All right, now let's see how to use the factor method. We'll make the factor method. The factor means a number that can divide a certain number without leaving any remainder. A number that can divide a certain number without leaving any remainder. So when you are using a factor method to find LCM, all you are doing, you are dividing the given set of number until those numbers arrive at 1. You keep on dividing. Now, what number we use to divide? You make use of only prime numbers. You make use of only prime numbers. So I would like to use the same numbers we used in the previous example so that we can, compare our answers. I would like to use those numbers. So the first set of number was L.C.M of 4 and 5. L.C.M of 4 and 5. Now, using the factor method, we have our column. Draw a column. Now, this side will be the prime numbers that you are going to use. Remember, prime numbers begin from 2. 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number because prime numbers have 2 factors, which are 1 and itself. So the first prime number is 2. So by the time we are done using 2, we are done. The first prime number is 2, another is 3, another is 5, another is 7, and so on. By the time we are done using 2, when I mean done using 2, we have used 2, and 2 can no longer divide the set of number we have. We then use the next prime number. Now, I'm saying this because it has to go systematically. You don't just start dividing by 3. You don't just start dividing by 5. You must check this set of number that I have now. Can 2 divide any number? If 2 cannot go before you move to the next prime number, which is 3. So let's start. 2. 2 can divide 4 without leaving a remainder, and it will give us 2. But 2 cannot divide 5 because it's going to have a remainder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. It has a remainder of 1. So 2 is not a factor of 5. So you take down the 5. No, downward. Bring it downward. 2 can still go because 2 can divide 2. Give me 1 here, but 2 cannot go into 5. Bring it down again. At this moment, you can see that 2 can no longer go. So we try 3. Can 3 go into 5? Because 5 is the only one that has not turned to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. It's remaining 2. So 3 cannot go here. So the next prime number is 5, which is the number itself. So at this moment where our given numbers have turned to 1, 1, it comes to the end of the division. Then all you need to do, your dividend, the number you use in dividing, your factors, you will bring that downward and multiply them. 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. This was exactly the same answer we got when we used the multiple method. Take another example where we have a set of a little bit large set of large numbers where we are meant to find the lowest common multiple. And this is the reason why I said the multiple method is very easy to use just for lower digits. But when it comes to higher numbers, the most convenient method to use is the factor method. So we are going to go through it just the way we did the other example. We are having 3 columns here because we have 3 numbers. So the first prime number is 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. 24 divided by 2, 12. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 2 can also go. 6 divided by 2, 3. 12 divided by 2, 6. 18 divided by 2, 9. Yes, 2 can still go. 3. 2 can't go into 3, you drop it. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 9 divided by 2 is not possible. It's going to have a remainder 1. And remember that a factor must divide without leaving a remainder. So 2 can't go. You drop your 9 down. 3 is the next factor here because 2 can't go again. Very obvious. So 3 into 3, 1. 1. 3 into 9 is 3. 3 can still go 1, 1, 1. At this time, the given numbers have all turned into 1, 1, 1 after the division. So what next to do now is to multiply the factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 3. 8 times 3, 24. 24 times 3, 72. This is what I mean. 24 times 3. 3 times 4, 12. Carry 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus that, 72. So I would like to draw the curtain here. You just do it to look through. It's not a difficult one at all. Remember, when you are using the factor method, all you need to do is to divide the given set of number using prime numbers. The prime numbers begin from 2, we have 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 11, we have 13, we have 17, we have 19. Prime numbers are just those numbers that no other numbers can divide except 1 and themselves. So we only have 2 factors for prime numbers, 1 and itself. So only prime numbers are used to divide. That is why we didn't use 1 to divide. Even if 1 is a factor to all numbers, 1 cannot be used here. We begin with 2 because once you use 1, you are going to have the same result. So you begin with 2, the first prime number. When you are done dividing through every of your given number has turned to 1, then you multiply your factors. That will give you the LCM. This method, it's really recommended for higher grades, for middle basic, from 4, from 5, from 6, and higher basic, and even through the senior secondary school. It is very important you know it from the beginning. That is why it's been introduced to the middle basic. While you are still in primary school, you have to get it. Don't get too used to the multiple method and feel relaxed. No, start preparing yourself for the raining day. Okay, so do wait to watch. If you have a question, you drop it on the comment section. That is why we are here for you. Definitely our feedback policy is strong. We'll get back to you. And then like, and if you haven't click the notification button of the YouTube channel, you should do that so that you can always get an update whenever any video is being uploaded. Okay, click on the notification bell and then you will always get an update whenever we drop any video on the YouTube channel. And then try to share to your friends. Be your brother's keeper. Remember, you are the best and you can no matter. God bless you. Bye for now.